Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate C++ class inheritance. The derived class inherits the members of the base class. It also has its own members. People is a base class. It has two protected attributes, name and year of birth. So these attributes are accessible from the derived classes, but they are not accessible from the public. Student class is a derived class inheriting the people class. It has its own attribute, university name. When you write the constructor for the derived class, you also can call the constructor of the base class. As you can see over here, the student class also have access to the members of the base class people. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.